Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to the unboxing of this Starfrit vacuum sealer. I bought this from Walmart for $29.97 Canadian dollars when we had our Black Friday sale. And let's start with opening this box. So they included this one roll, which is 9.8 feet and 11 inches. So 11 inches for the length and or width, and 9.8 feet length. So these are the parts, some tubes. We have our user manual. And the vacuum sealer. So let's remove the plastic, and here plastic coverage here, and this paper. Included 2 tubes. This can be used for external vacuuming. Let's say you bought some pre-cut or some other ready-made plastic to vacuum. You can attach this on the side here, and you can select what adapter you need for the job, like this way. So maybe you have this plastic that has a hole, and then press this one. Let's try to see what will happen. Okay, so we can close it. Then there's this option, external vacuum. So right now this is working. So that's what is this for. So for now we're not going to use this. I don't have any other types of plastic bag for food sealing. So this is the moist option. So moist means this is for vacuuming food with some liquid or sauce. So you have to press this, and then you have to start the vacuum seal. And then this one is an external vacuum, as I've showed you earlier, using the external vacuum. This one is for seal. So what will happen is if you press this, it will seal the end of a roll of the plastic. So let's try it. This is the roll of the plastic or roll of the bag, and then this is the lock. I forgot to show, this is the drip tray for some spillage of a liquid, if in case. And then this is the wire, or maybe this way. And then the maximum width that we can use here is 30 centimeter. Right now the bag that we have is 28 centimeters, so it's a good size. Alright, and then we have to press this seal. So right now it is welding or sealing the plastic bag. So that's it. It means that it is done. Okay, let's check what happened. So see. So not straight, but if you can check, it's already sealed. Now we can use this to vacuum seal some food. So we have to cut this with scissor. Let me see. First I have to check the steak that I'm going to vacuum for sous vide. Well, let me see. So I will be cutting this. Cutting this bag. Maybe this. Then I have here my steak. I'll be putting some pepper. And then salt. Garlic powder. Then on the other side, or we'll put maybe we can put a rosemary. Okay, and then on the other side I'll do the same. Salt, fresh cracked pepper, garlic powder, and rosemary. Okay, and then you can put this inside this bag like that. I will also put garlic, maybe 3, and some maybe small piece of butter, and then butter. Okay, now we will seal this one. Here I'll be using the, have to put it over here past this liquid tray and close it. Now I know that these have a moisture. I have to press the humid or moist and then start vacuum sealing. The vacuum is done. Now it's sealing, and then those lights are gone, so it means it's done. Yeah, it's sealed. So yeah, see, perfectly sealed, ready for sous vide. And for the sous vide, I will do another video for that one using my instant pot with the sous vide function. And so that's it. This Starfrit is really good. It's working fine as intended. It's affordable, only $30. And for the rolls of bags, you can use other brand. Maybe you can look at the Amazon, or you can use the branded one, which are expensive. You can use them, but take note that the measurement is max width is 30 centimeter. So I have here the vacuum sirloin steak. I'll be doing sous vide. So this instant pot do crisp air fryer have the sous vide function. So I already put a warm water here, and then we will choose the sous vide function, and then we'll make it to 140 is fine, 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Time make it 2 hours, and we'll just press start. So So while we're waiting, this will warm up. Then when it's warm to the desired temperature, it will start the countdown. So now it achieved the proper temperature. You can see here it's around, let's see, yeah, 140. So we can place this meat inside the steak, make sure that it's submerged, and yeah, ouch, hot, but not too hot for me, but it's really hot. Okay, so now it's really submerged, and then yeah, you can see. So this one will maintain at 140 degrees Fahrenheit temperature while waiting for 2 hours. It will be cooking. So I use this one so that it will not be touching the bottom part of this pot. It's not touching the sides, not even touching the metal part. So we'll cover it and then wait for 2 hours before we continue the cooking of the steak. Cooking this for 2 hours under 140 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll take it off from the bag and we'll pat it dry to make it easier to do a searing. Open this one. And out. And let it dry. Okay. So I am now melting a butter here, and I'll put my garlic that I used earlier. Then we can put our steak. This is our steak. Let it rest for 5 minutes before eating. For 5 minutes, let's see how it looks inside. It's medium well. That's how I want my steak. So I chose 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's juicy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.